Hi everyone, I am Nisha. Today I will explain here carbon, an important element. What is the symbol of carbon? Symbol of carbon C. In this chapter, occurrence, carbon's occurrence, properties, allotropes, hydrocarbons, carbon dioxide and methane. Then occurrence, properties and uses. Then what is the carbon? What is the carbon? The element carbon is available abundantly in the nature and occurs in free as well as in combined state. In free state means diamond and graphite is present, and in combined state this is CO2, carbon monoxide means CO, carbon monoxide, carbohydrate. This is the combined state. Then symbol of carbon. What is the symbol of carbon? Symbol of carbon C. Then atomic number 6, atomic mass 12, then electronic configuration 2 and 4, then valency of carbon 4. This is the non-metallic element, means carbon is the non-metallic element. Then next, compound obtained directly or indirectly from plants and animals are called as organic compounds, and compounds obtained from minerals are called as inorganic compound. Means what is the organic compounds and what are the inorganic compounds? The compounds are directly or indirectly obtained from plants and animals are called as organic compounds, and compounds obtained from minerals are called as inorganic compounds. All the organic compounds contain carbon, means all organic compound, for example DNA, RNA, carbohydrates, these are the organic compounds, and these organic compounds contain carbon as an important element. Then next, carbon is the main element even in cellular DNA and RNA that transfer hereditary characteristic from one generation to next generation. Then occurrence of carbon. What is the occurrence of carbon? First, the name carbon is derived from the Latin word carbo, meaning coal. Carbo meaning, what is the meaning of carbo? Means coal. Then carbon is found in nature in free as well as combined, means compound state. Carbon in the free state is found as a diamond and graphite. These are the diamond and graphite. And then the compounds in combined state in the following compound. In that, first, carbon dioxide and in the form of carbonates. What is the formula of carbon dioxide? CO2, and in the form of carbonates such as calcium carbonate, marbles and calamine. ZnCO3. What is the formula of calamine? ZnCO3. Then fossil fuel, coal, petroleum, natural gas. Then carbonaceous nutrients. Carbonaceous nutrient means carbon is present, for example carbohydrates, proteins and fats. Then for natural fibers. Natural fiber, what is the example of natural fiber? Cotton, wool and silk. This is the general, means introduction of carbon. What is the atomic number, what is the mass number, and occurrence of carbon. In next lecture we will see here the properties of carbon.